is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with steps down below so you can have an easier time getting in, but let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach, comm screen. Then you can also go into further settings and information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, camera view again, hazards, and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with AC. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. Moving on to your to the right here, you have a 12-volt USB and USB-C. Down below, you have another USB, USB-C, and a shelf here where you can put your device or something like that. And looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then onto your center console area where you have 2 cup holders, center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside. And then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck with another lockable compartment underneath for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.